So here's how to fix Java error code 1603 on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So first you want to open the start menu and then search for control panel, and then click on view by and small icons. Now you want to look for Java, which is right here, Java 32-bit. Click on it and it should open up this Java control panel. Now you want to go to the update section and click on update now. And if you don't have the latest version, it should start an update. Otherwise, it will tell you that you have the latest version. So you can press OK and then you can close this. Now you want to open your browser. So I'm going to open my browser and then type in the search bar Java download. Then click on the first link and then download the Windows installer, Windows Online. So click on it to start the download, and it will download the Java runtime for the latest version. So we want to click on the installer and then confirm. Now you can follow the steps and continue to install the Java runtime if you don't have it already installed. Otherwise, if you have it, you can close this. And then we will go to the configuration. So we want to press on the start button and then type environment in the search bar, and then click on edit the system environment variables, which is this one, and it should bring up this window. Now we want to click on environment variables, and then we want to add a system variable to this list. So if you already have something like this, Java underscore home all in capitals, you should keep this instead, and then just edit the path to the Java. So you want to click on select it first and then click on edit, and then navigate to Java, which is usually in program files. So you want to go to C or whatever Windows is installed, then program files, and then you want to look for Java, and then GDK24 or the latest version, and then click on open. Now you want to click on OK. But if you don't have this entry already, what you can do is press new and then type this name on the variable name, and for the value you want to click on browse file and then browse to the same path again and then press OK to add it. Now for the user variables, we want to double click on path and then make sure there is an entry called %sign Java underscore home %sign again /bin. So if you don't have this already, you can click on new and then type the same thing in this entry and then press OK to save it. Now you want to press OK and close everything, and then you should start try to run your app again, and that should fix the Java error. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.